But please do the homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we were doing the independent events, okay? I hope you remember the formula. Please try this question. Probabilities of solving problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively if find the probability that first part is the problem is solved and second is exactly one of them solves the problem. Solves the problem. Okay, so this question came in CBSE 2019 and this question came in CBSE 2011. Okay, let me tell you one theorem. Just give me a minute. If theorem is if A and B are independent event, if A and B are independent events, then A naught and B naught are also independent. Okay, please try this question and share your answer with me. Adif, please let me know once you note down this question. Okay.
Yes. Sir, can you explain this question?
Yes, Atif. So the question is, there are two candidates A and B who are independently solving this question. Okay, solving a problem. So that means there's a case of independent. Now their probabilities are this and this. If both are trying to solve the problem independently, find the probability that the problem is solved. When the problem will be solved, I guess we have done a similar question last time. So when the problem will be solved, when? What is the case, Atif? When the problem will be solved?
Either A or
Uh,
B solves the problem.
when A or B, or so we can say problem will be solved. Problem will be solved. Will be solved when at least, okay, when at least A or B solve the problem. A or B solve the problem. Solve the problem. Okay, so we are using at least. Why? Because if A will solve and B will not solve, then it will be fine. If B will solve, A will not solve, then also it is fine. If A and B both will solve the problem, then also it will be fine. So problem will be solved when at least A or B solve the problem. So this is equal to 1 minus probability. This we have done last week. 1 minus probability when probability 1 minus probability probability when A and B both A and B both will not solve the problem. Okay, so this will be equal to what? 1 minus PA intersection, sorry, A naught intersection B naught. Is it clear, Atif?
Yes, sir.
Atif is okay, great. So please now continue this question. Okay. Atif, you have noted down. Shall I change the slide? Because I need to
Yes,
write a
sir.
new question. Okay, okay, great. Atif, please let me know once you get the answer. Atif, this was done. Atif, you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
What the answer you're getting for the first part?
First one is 2/3 and second one is 1/2.
Very, very good. That's correct. Okay, now please try this question. Please let me know, Atif, if this is done. Or if you have any doubt, please let me know.
Sir, is the first one 2 by 5?
Yes, Atif, that's correct. Good.
Sir, second one is 1 by 10.
Yes, Atif, that's correct. Good.
Sir, fourth one is 1 by 60.
Yes, Atif, that's correct.
Sir, can you explain the third one?
Yes, just give me. Okay, in the third one, they're saying any two of A, B, and C will hit the target. Okay, that means what? A will hit, B will hit, C will not hit. Or A will hit, B will not hit, C will hit. Okay, next, A will not hit, B, A will not hit, B will hit, C will hit. Is it clear, Adif?
Yes. Sir, is the third one 13 by 30?
Very good, Adif. It is correct. Great. Now, this is the last question from this topic. Then we will start the law of total probability. Please complete this.
Sir, is it 0.3?
0.3. Yes, Adit, that's correct. Very good. Okay, now we will start next topic, the law of total probability. Okay, the law of total probability. Okay, let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space and E1, E2, E3 up to En be n mutually exclusive, exclusive and exhaustive events. And exhaustive events. Let A be the event. Let A be the event which occurs with E1, E2, E3, and so on up to En. Then P of A will be equal to PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E3 plus so on up to the last event. Okay. What are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events? We have already done this. Can you tell me, Atif? In the first class, we have done this one. Now suppose this is your event E1, this is E2, this is E3, up to this is En. Mutually exclusive or exhaustive events are those which have nothing common and whose union gives the sample space. This complete is a sample space. Okay, so E1, E2, E3, E4 up to En do not have anything common. This is separate, this is separate, this is separate. Okay, and if you will find the union of all these, you will get the sample space. Okay, now A is your event. A is a event which occur with all these. Okay, then the probability of A will be equal to this one. I will explain this to you with the example, which will be much easier to understand. Suppose you have two bag. Okay, you have first bag, you have second bag. Okay, now suppose this have 4 red and 6 black ball. This have 5 red and this have 5 black ball. Okay, now the question is, you have a two bag, a bag is chosen, a bag is selected, a bag is selected, and a ball is drawn, and a ball is drawn. Find the probability, find the probability that the ball is that the ball is red. That the ball is red. Okay. So this is your question. There's no need to note down this one. Okay. Just wait. So always remember, whatever you need to find the probability, take that event as A. So A be the event. Let A be the event event that the ball is red. That the ball is red. Okay. Now check here. You need to find the probability that the ball is red. So you need to find the probability of this A. Now, how you will reach to A? First of all, you will select a bag, and from that bag, you will select a ball. So first, what you will do, you will select the first bag. Okay, let even be the event. Even be the event of selecting first bag. First bag. Okay. So how you will reach towards A? First, you will find out the event even. You will select a bag. Then from this bag, you will draw a ball. So first here you have selected this bag. So probability of even. Now from this bag, you will select a ball. So probability of A when even is given. That means we have already selected bag one, and from this we are selecting a ball. What other option you have? Select a second bag, E2. Okay, so find out the probability of E2. That means select a second bag. From this second bag, select that ball. So we need to find the probability of A when E2 is already given. That means we have already selected the second bag. Okay. Now what we have to find, we need to find the probability of A that will be equal to P even into this one. PA by even plus PE2 into PA by E2. Okay. Now, what will be the probability of even? Atif? Even means selecting first bag. So you have two bag. Probability of selecting first bag will be 1 by 2. Atif, what will be PE2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. PA by even. A by even means from the first bag we are selecting a red ball. So what will be the probability? Atif, from the first bag you are selecting a red ball. What will be the probability?
4 by 10.
4 by 9. Okay. But always remember, we are selecting a single ball. That's why we are doing directly. In case we have to draw two balls, then always use a combination. Otherwise, the answer will not match. Okay. A by E2. What will be this probability?
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Okay. So you just need to put all these values here. Now is it clear? This theorem, law of total probability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So always do like this. Whatever the event for which you need to find the probability, write it here and check how you will reach up to here. First of all, if you have to draw a ball, then first you will select a bag, and from that bag you will select a ball. Okay. There's no need to note down this example. Note down this theorem. Confirm me, then I will give you a question.
Done, sir.
Okay. Try this question. That contains 4 red and 3 black balls. Second bag Second bag contain second bag contain 2 red and 4 black balls. One bag is selected. One bag is selected at random from the selected bag. From the selected bag, one ball is drawn. One ball is drawn. Find the probability. Find the probability that the ball drawn is ball drawn is red. Okay, please try this. Atif, let me know once you note down this question. Okay, then I will change the slide or I will write here only. Atif, first is done.
Doing.
Okay.
Sir, it's the first one, 19/42.
Yes, Adil, that's correct. Good. Please try second one. Nabil, you're almost 50 minutes late. Uh, Nabil, my voice is audible. Uh, Please reply me on the chat box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're 50 minutes late. Why?
Sir, I had net issues.
Sorry, I didn't hear properly, Nabil. Nabil, please reply me on the chat box. Okay. Nabil, my voice is audible.
Sir, second one is 1/2.
Second one is 1/2. Okay, okay, Adil. Then let me give you a third one. Just give me a minute. Another question. Third one. Okay. One bag contains 4 white and 5 black balls. Another bag contains 6 white and 7 black balls. A ball is transferred. A ball is transferred from first bag to the second bag, and then a ball is transferred. Uh, Sorry, and then a ball is drawn. Is drawn from the second bag. From the second bag, find the probability. Find the probability that the ball drawn is white. That the ball drawn is white. Okay, please try this. Nabil, let me explain to you the law of total probability. My voice is audible, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have missed some questions. Please see the recorded lecture for this. So the above question is based on law of total probability. Okay. So suppose you have S as a sample space. I will not write the complete statement. Okay. S is the sample space. And you have these events E1, E2, so on up to En. These are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay, which are associated with the random experiment. Nabil, what are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events?
They don't have anything in common,
Good.
but all of them take up the full sample space.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, next A be the event which can occur with occurs with E1, E2, and so on up to A. Okay, so A is any event which can occur with any of these, E1, E2, E3. So I will give you an example. From this, I will explain this to you. Okay, Atif, you have noted down this question, third one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nabil, in the previous case, we have taken this example. Okay. Now check here, Nabil. We have a bag one and we have a bag two. In bag one, we have a 4 red and 6 black balls, while in the bag two, we have a 5 red and 5 black balls. Okay. Now A be the event, and this is the question. You have selected a bag, and from the bag you have drawn a ball. We need to find the probability that the ball is red. Okay. We have two bag, and from a bag, we have selected a bag, and from the bag we have selected a ball. We need to find the probability that the ball is red. Okay, so first thing, just check in the question what you need to find. Here you need to find the probability that the ball is red. So that's why we will take that event as A. A is the event that the ball is red. Okay, so this is your event. Now check this, how you will reach here. You need to select a red ball. So how you will do that? First, you will select a bag. Okay, let this even be the event of selecting first bag. Okay, first you will select a bag, and from this bag, you will select a ball. So here you are selecting the bag. So first we will find the probability of even. Once we have selected first bag, from that bag, we will find the probability of selecting the red ball. So we will write A by even. So that means even has already occurred. We have already selected the first bag. And from the first bag, we are selecting a ball. Now, similarly, E2, we will select a bag to PE2. And from this, we will select a ball. So this will be PA by E2. Okay. So E2 is what? It is the event of selecting second bag. Okay. Now, we need to find the probability of A. So probability of A will be P even into PA by even plus PE2 into PA by E2. Okay, so here we need to find PE1. What is mean by PE1? Selecting first bag. So you have two bags, and out of two bag, you're selecting a bag. So PE1 will be 1 by 2. Okay, next you're finding PE2. So PE2 will be what? 1 by 2. Okay, next is PA by E1. A by E1 means from the first bag, you're selecting a red ball. So what will be the probability, Nabil?
4 by 10.
4 by 10. Good. Now you need to find PA by E2. So what is PA by E2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, yeah, that's correct. 5 by 10. Okay, then you need to put this in the formula. This formula. So PA will be equal to PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Okay, so this is your theorem. So always in law of total probability, just write the event which you need to find and check how you will reach here. So then you will get the event E1, E2, and so on. And then you need to find the probability A by E1, A by E2, A by E3. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can do any of these questions. Try the first question, Nabil. Okay, and show your answer. Atif, the third one is done.
Sir.
Let me know if you have a doubt. Okay.
Sir, can you explain the third one?
Okay, Atif. Check this, the third one. Okay. The question is one bag contain 4 white and 5 black. Another one contains 6 white and 7 black. A ball is transferred from first bag to the second, and then a ball is drawn from the second bag. Find the probability that the ball drawn is white. First of all, whatever is given, whatever we need to find, take that as A. Okay. Event that the ball drawn is that the ball drawn is white. Okay, we will write A here. So now here we have first bag and we have a second bag. One bag is transferred from the first to the second. Okay, from the first you are transferring a ball to the second, and from the second you are drawing a ball. Now this is ball A. Sorry, this is the event A. We need to find the probability of A. So how you will reach up to here? First, even. So first, what will happen from the first bag? We have two type of ball, white and black. So from the first bag, we will transfer. We have two options. We can transfer white ball. Okay, and then when we have transferred that, then from the second bag, we will draw this ball. Okay, so even we will not write the selecting a bag. Okay, if you will see the previous question, then in those questions it is not given that from which bag we are drawing a ball, but in this question they have clearly mentioned that you are drawing a ball from the second bag. Okay, so there's no need to write even selecting a first or second bag. So we will write even this one. This is the root. Event that the transferred ball is white. Okay, so what is P even, Atif? Right here, this is your bag one, and this have 4 white and 5 black. This is your second, and this have 6 white and 7 black. Yes, Atif. What is even?
4 by
Even is 4 by 9. Good. Now, what is A by even? When you have transferred a white ball here, then total ball then will be 7 white and 7 black. Okay, what is A? A is white. So what will be A by even then? Atif,
What is
what will be A by even when you have transferred a white ball in the second bag? Then what will be A by even?
3 by 8.
Sorry,
Sir, 3 by 8.
why 3 by 8? You have the second bag. Okay, when you have transferred a white ball here from the first to second bag, you have transferred a white ball. So the white ball will become 7 white. Now from the second bag, you are drawing a ball. Okay, this is a question. Then a ball is drawn from the second bag. So you are drawing a ball from the second bag. What will be the probability it is white?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. That's correct. 7 by 14. Okay. Now, what is the other option we have? E2, transfer black ball. Transfer black ball. Okay. So what you will get PA by E2. So what will be E2? E2 is when you are transferring a black ball. So what will be the probability, Atif?
6 by 13.
Why 6 by 13? You are transferring from the first bag. From the first bag, you are transferring a black ball. So, okay. Okay, I will write here. E2 is what? E2 is the event that the transferred ball is black. Okay, E2 is the event that the transferred ball is black. What is P2, Adif? You're transferring a
5 by 9.
black 5 by 9. Very good. Now when you transfer a black ball, so white will remain white. This became 8. Now A by E2 means you are drawing a white ball from the second pack. So what will be the probability?
6 by 14.
Very good, 6 by 14. Is it clear now, Atif?
Yes.
Okay, great. So please note down this, confirm me, then we will start the next theorem. Nabil, is it, the last one was done? Nabil, you have completed the last question? Nabil, you're on mute, okay? So please reply me on the chat box. Is it done, the first one? Or you have any doubt?
Sir, can you show how to do that question, sir?
Oh, okay. Check here. So what is a theorem? Theorem is PA is equal to PE1, okay, into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Okay, and so on. If there are 3 events, then we will extend this. Always take A, which we need to find. Here we need to find the probability that the ball is right. So let A is event that the ball drawn is right. Okay. Now this is event A. Now how you will reach here? First of all, you will select a back. Okay. Then from suppose we have selected first bag, then from the first bag you will draw a red ball. So first you have selected E1, we will calculate its probability, then from the first bag we will select a ball, PA by E1. Similarly, we will select a E2, okay, then from this E2 we will select a ball, A by E2. So always write like this, always write the event which you need to find and check how you will reach here. Okay, now Nabil, tell me what will be even, probability of even? Nabil, what will be the probability of event even?
1 by 7.
Oh, I'm sorry. I need to write here. Even is selecting first event of selecting first back. Event of selecting first back. Of selecting first back. E2 event of selecting second back. Okay. First you need to select a back and then you need to draw a ball. So what will be P1? You have 2 backs. So what will be P1? Is it 1 by 2, Nabil? You have 2 bag and from the 2 bag you need to select a bag.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now A by E1. A by E1 means E1 has already occurred. So that means from the first bag you are selecting a red ball. So what will be the probability?
Sir, 1 by 7.
Why 1 by 7? How many red balls are there in the first bag?
Oh, sir, 4 by 7.
4 by 7. Very good. Now similarly, what is P2? Yes, again 1 by 2. Good. What is A by E2?
2 by 6.
2 by 6. Very, very good. So you just need to put this in the formula. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please put this in the formula and share your answer. Atif, the last one was done. Atif, third one was done.
Yes.
What the answer you're getting?
Sir, 29 by 63.
Very, very good. That's correct. Nabil, please confirm your answer so that we can start the next topic. Okay.
Sir, is it 19 by 42?
Very good, Nabil. That's correct. Okay, Nabil, on this topic, you need to do 2 more questions. So please do that from the recorded lectures. Okay, because I
Yes.
need to start a new theorem now. That was law of total probability. Now, next is Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. So this is very, very, very important. Okay, you can expect a question from this theorem. Bayes theorem. Okay. What's a Bayes theorem? Let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space and E1, comma E2, comma E3 up to En be n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events and exhaustive events. Let A be the event. Let A be the event which can occur which can occurs with E1, E2, E3, and so on up to n. Okay, then probability of, I will write EI by A. So this will be equal to PEI into PA by EI by summation PEI into PA by EI. I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, so we will take example and from that we will understood this. Now, again the same type of question. You have 2 bag. This is bag 1, this is bag 2. Okay, this have suppose 4 red and 6 black ball. This have 5 red and 5 black balls. Okay, this is second one. Question is, a bag is selected, a bag is selected and a ball is drawn and a ball is drawn and a ball is drawn and it is found and it is found to be red in color. Find the probability find the probability find the probability that the ball is drawn that the ball is drawn from first back, from first back. Okay, so what's the difference between the questions of law of total probability and Bayes theorem? In law of total probability, they have asked you the similar question and they ask you find the probability that the ball drawn is red. Okay, but what they are saying in this question, they have given that the ball is red. You need to find that the ball is drawn from the first back. Okay, if we will take the event similar to which we have taken law of total probability, so always remember in Bayes theorem, whatever is given, take that as A. Okay, here what is given? The ball drawn is red in color. So write A, event that the ball drawn is red. That the ball drawn is red. What they are asking you to find out, take that as event E1 and E2. So take event, find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first back. Event that the ball drawn is uh, drawn from first back. From first back. Okay. What is E2? Event that the ball drawn is from second back. Okay. So when you are writing event, check what other events you have. So we have another event E2 that ball can be drawn from the second back. Here, what we need to find, A is already given. They are saying to you that the ball drawn is red. What you need to find? You need to find that the ball drawn from the first back. So we need to find P1 by A in this case. Clear up to here, up to this step, Atif and Nabil. Atif and Nabil. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember like this in law of total probability, we were finding the probability of A. In Bayes theorem, we will find a bigger event. If we will compare the event E1 and A, which one is bigger? E1 is bigger. So we will find a bigger event here and other event will be given. Okay, so always write A which is given, write event which you need to find and check what other events you have. Okay, now from this, now write the formula. What is the formula? Formula is P E1 into PA by E1. Okay, write P1 and do the reciprocal of this, A by E1. Now write like this, write all the events which you have. So first is E1 only. Second we have E2, PA by E2. Okay, so we have this formula. Now find all the points. So I will write here. First we need P1. Tell me Nabil, what will be E1?
1 by 2.
Very good. What is PA by E1? That means from the
4
first
by
back, 4 by 10. Good. Next, what is E2? P2?
1 by 2.
Yes, it is 1 by 2. Okay, I will write 5 by 10 here. That is 1 by 2. What is PA by E2? Sorry. Sorry, this is 1 by 2. Yes, what is PA by E2?
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Very good. Now you need to put the formula here, all the values here. Okay, so in law of total probability, you are finding A by E1. In Bayes theorem, you are finding E1 by A. Okay, so always remember this in Bayes theorem. First of all, because some students face difficulty in finding what is E1, E2, and A. So take A which is given. So whatever the event is given, write that as A. Which you need to find, write that as even, and find out other E2, E3, and E4. Okay. Now there's no need to note down this question. Just note down this theorem, confirm me, then I will give you a question. Okay. I will write the question here to save the time. Okay, so please try this question and let me know if you have any doubt here. Nabil and Atif, do you have noted down this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Atif, is it done? I need to change the slide. Okay.
Sir, it's the first one, 2 by 5.
Great, Atif, that's correct. Nabil, the last one is done.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Do you have any problem?
Can you show, sir, how to do that?
Okay, okay, I will. So, okay, I will erase this theorem. Okay, so you have three bag. First bag have this much of balls, second have this one, and third have this one. Okay, now one of the bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from it. If the ball drawn is right, find the probability that it is drawn from the first bag. Okay, so I already told you whatever is given, take that as A. So Nabil, what is given here? Nabil, read
Given
the
the ball is red.
ball is red. So event that the ball is red. That the ball is red. Ball is red. Okay. Next, write a even. What is even?
Taking the ball from back one.
Yes, even that the ball is drawn from ball is event. We will write event that the bag one is selected. Bag first is selected. Okay. Then we will write our condition. Even that the bag first is selected. Okay. Next, what they are asking us, if the ball is drawn is red, find the probability that it is drawn from the first bag. So that means they are asking us to find even. Okay. And they're saying A is given. Okay. That the ball red is given. Even that the bag. Is it clear, Nabil? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write your formula. What will be the formula then? P even. Do the reciprocal of this A by even. Okay. Okay. I missed to write all the other events. Here we have three bags. So we will write E1, E2, and E3. So E2 is second bag. Bag second is selected. And next we have E3. Okay. Third is selected. Okay. So what will be the formula? Formula will be E1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E3. Is it clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me this. What will be PE1, Nabil?
1/3.
Very good. What will be PA by E1?
6/10.
Very, very good. Okay. Now please do in this way and tell me the final answer. Okay, Atif, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, I will change the slide shortly. Nabil, is it done?
Sir, is it 2 by 5?
It is 2 by 5. Very, very good. But both of you, please remember, here you are drawing a single ball. That's why we are writing this directly 6 by 10. Okay. But in case you are drawing a ball more than one, then please use the combination. Otherwise, your answer will be incorrect. Okay. Now please try this question. This question came 2 times, 2008 and 2015. Okay. First note down this, okay, and let me know so that in the meantime I can write a new question. Atif and Nabil, can I change the slide?
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay, Nabil, thank you. Atif, can you change the slide?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
There is a 28 by 69.
28 by 69. Very good, Nabil. It is correct. Very, very good. Now, Nabil, please try this question that it has come from plan 2. Okay. And this question came 3 times: CBSE 2004, 2000, and 2005. Okay. Atif, last question is completed.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for the last question, I got 16 by 51.
No, Atif, that's not correct. Let me. Nabil, you have noted down this?
No, sir.
Okay. Then please continue this one. Okay, so Atif, in the last one, what they're asking to you, if the bolt drawn is defective. Okay, so A means defective event. Okay, what is the probability that it is manufactured by the machine B? So E1, E2, and E3, I will take manufactured by machine A, manufactured by machine B, manufactured by machine C. Now, what they're asking you, it is manufactured by machine B, that is E2
Noted,
by.
sir.
Oh, okay, Nabil, thank you. I think we need to find this one, E2 by A. Okay, so what P even you are getting, Atif? Tell me all the values.
Sir, 1 by
1 by? Atif, you're not audible. P1 is what? Atif, let me know all the answer so that.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. What is P even?
Sir, P even is the probability that you choose the factory A, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, 1 by 3.
That is 1 by 3. Why it is 1 by 3, Atif? 25% is given? Okay, no. Okay, I understood. So Atif, please check here. Here, it is given in a bolt factory. Machines manufacture 25%, 35%, 40% of the total bolts. Understood? Now, they are not equal. It is not 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3. It is 25%, 35%, and 40%. Okay, so PE1 will be what? It is 25%. So that means 25 by 100. Is it clear, Atif, now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, now please complete this and share your answer. This is the last question, then your class will be over.
So it's the answer to the last question, 28 by 69.
Very good, Atif. That's correct. Now please try this question. Okay, this is the last one.
Sir, is it 27 by 83?
Oh, very good, Nabil. It is correct. Okay, so
So it's a 27 by 83.
very, very good, Atif and Nabil. It is correct. Okay, your homework is assignment third. We will share the assignment with you hopefully tomorrow. Okay, third assignment. In the meantime, please again check all these questions or complete the remaining assignment, the first and second, which you have not submitted yet. So hopefully today we will complete this Bayes theorem and can start the fourth topic also. Nabil, when you have your pre-boards, and Atif,
January, sir.
January which date? Nabil, which date?
I believe from the 20th, 21st.
28. Okay, okay. Then hopefully tomorrow we will complete our syllabus. Okay. And if not, then next week, next Saturday maximum. Atif, when you have your pre-boards?
So it's going on now. So the maths exam is on Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Okay, no issue, Atif. Tomorrow we will complete this one. Okay. Your syllabus. Okay, then please complete the homework. Okay. And whatever the doubts you have, discuss with me tomorrow.